Hello everyone, myself Priyanka. I'm from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to do Introduction to Civil Engineering. The topics to be covered in the session is about first the criteria for selection of landfill and second urban flood control. First topic criteria for selection of landfills. Geographical and environmental factors. Consideration of soil type, depth to underground water, geographical stability, and proximity to water bodies for prevention of contamination. Next, the hydrogeographical conditions. Ensuring that the landfill won't contaminate underground water and has proper linears and leachate collection systems to prevent the pollution. The next point is about distance from residential areas. Locating landfills away from the populated areas for minimize odor, noise, and potential health hazards for nearby residents. Accessibility and transportation. Easy of access for waste collection vehicles to reduce transportation environmental important. The next point is about the land use and zoning regulations. Compiling with local zoning laws and regulations to prevent conflicts with other land uses. Capacity and longevity. Sufficient space and capacity to handle waste generation for an extended period considering the future needs. Next point is environmental impact. Assessing the potential impact on wildlife habits and ecosystem in the surrounding area. Next topic is urban flood control. Introduction to urban flood control. Urban flood control, it refers to the methods and strategies employed to mitigate the impact of flooding in urban areas. It is crucial to develop efficient flood control measures due to its increasing frequency and intensity of urban flooding events. The goal of urban flood control is to protect lives and properties, minimize damage, and improve the overall resilience of the cities. Types of urban flood control measures. Green infrastructure, flood barriers, and stormwater management. First, the green infrastructure. Implementing nature-based solutions such as rain gardens, green roofs, and permeable pavement to manage stormwater runoff. Next, the flood barriers. Constructing physical barriers like flood walls and levees to prevent the flood water from reaching vulnerable areas. Next is stormwater management. Implementing comprehensive stormwater management systems to capture, store, and treat excess rainfall. Next is about key components of urban flood control. Drainage system. Maintaining and upgrading drainage networks, it including storm sewer and culverts, to efficiently channel and remove excess water. Next, floodplain management. Adopting land use politics and regulations to control development in flood-prone areas and preserve the natural floodplains. Public awareness and education. Educating citizens about the risk of urban flooding, promoting preparedness and encouraging the responsible water management practices. Next is about the integrated approaches to urban flood control, multipurpose reservoirs, urban planning, and early warning systems. In this, the first one is about multipurpose reservoirs, constructing reservoirs that serve as both flood control infrastructure and sources of water supply for urban areas, the urban planning. Incorporating flood control measures into urban development plans, including zoning regulations and building codes. Early warning systems. Deploying advanced monitoring technologies and communication systems to provide timely alert and emergency response coordinates. Next is about the case study in Tokyo and Japan. In Tokyo, it has implemented an extensive underground flood control system using underground channels and storage tanks. In this Tokyo city, also constructed floodgates and levels among major rivers to prevent flooding during heavy rainfall and typhoon events. Tokyo's comprehensive flood control measures have significantly reduced the impact of urban flooding and enhanced the city's resilience. Then the last is about the conclusion for urban flood control. In urban flood control, it is a criteria aspects of urban planning and infrastructure development. By adopting a combination of green infrastructure, flood barriers, stormwater management, and other measures, cities can effectively manage the urban flood control. Continuous investment in urban flood control, its measures and public awareness is essential to protect lives, infrastructure and the environment. That is all about that is all about those two topics. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.